Good morning, my randomites. How you guys doing? So, I'm a little tired. Stayed up till almost 11 o'clock because wasn't sure what this snow's gonna do, if we're gonna get any snow. It started snowing around 8:30 here, and let's see if I can show you guys. Got about 8-9 inches so far. Maybe 10 inches. And so I'm gonna go help my mom.
Hi guys!
So yeah, we
Homestead
got about
Tessie.
10 inches. Stayed up till almost 11 o'clock last night because I had to know if we're gonna get snow, then obviously I'm gonna have off work because I'm a window cleaner, and cleaning windows with 10 inches of snow, customers don't think that's kind of cool. Plus, who's gonna be in working at this time? If you work at a restaurant or something and you're working, hey, your boss needs to cut you some slack. No, but I understand that sometimes you just have to work. Some jobs require you to work. Sure nice and toasty by the pellet stove. So it's still coming down, and it's supposed to be coming down at this rate for the next 4 to 7 hours, depending on how it tracks in. So I'm up, it's 7 a.m. and then I decided to go to breakfast with my parents at a local truck stop, since everything else is probably gonna be closed. So I'll be filming while we go for our breakfast run and check out the roads. Taking my dad's 79 Chevy to lift it up, so it should be no problem. Here's Chevy man cleaning off his 79 Chevy.
Yeah, nothing, no stopping.
Yeah, we parked his car down. That way we only had to shovel this area.
Yeah, don't need to shovel as much.
I figured if I keep doing this, it won't be bad, man. If I would let you...
They didn't promise.
I think you should. I mean, I really think you should. Yeah.